YouTube, do not toss your food. Use leftovers and create new meals, or even create old meals. Like, go back to them and save your food. So the thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put this taco in this pan. There's garlic butter in here, so don't use your hand like me, but use a spatula and turn that around. Then throw your taco in, and you're gonna want to spin this and flip it every 30 seconds until you get it to the color you want. And to help this get darker, throw some black pepper on, and like I said, keep spinning this till you get it to the color you want. Alright YouTube, so you can see how in like 30 to 40 seconds you can darken that. Now use the same pan and throw some avocado oil in there. Keep your pan on low and throw the onions that you want to use in this pan. And then regulate this between low and medium till you get the onions brown to your liking. Alright YouTube, so I have this on medium, and I'm going to stir this for about a minute. There'll be the color and texture that I want, and then I'll throw in the chicken. Alright YouTube, so our chicken is in there. Now add Goya adobo with pepper, and I wish you could smell this. So just turn this and give it like 1 or 2 minutes and regulate the pan between low and medium. And then after that we'll build the taco. And this is all made from leftover foods. Alright YouTube, so our pan is off. Take fresh lime juice or one of these like Volcano. This thing is really good organic. Throw some in there and then just stir this. That'll add a little bit of lime in there, so when we build the taco, you'll have many different flavors. So to the taco. Alright, it's taco build. So we have Colby Jack, cilantro, and we have this chipotle queso that's left over. So that will make for a great combination. So take your cilantro and place that down. Once your cilantro's down there, take this Colby Jack, and I cut it into little squares. Like, we don't want to grate that or make it into shreds, because sometimes when you leave it bigger chunks like this, you'll get a different taste, different texture. Alright, now YouTube, take that chicken and place the amount of chicken you want on the taco, and that's the chicken and that red onion that was left over. Alright YouTube, so you do have that down there, and now you want to take that queso and spread that love all around. You see that steam coming off that queso? This will make for a perfect taco. Alright YouTube, and the last step is take some cilantro and garnish it. And there's your chicken taco made from leftovers. Look at that tortilla that we went from white to dark, and look at the texture there. Alright YouTube, so there's your leftover tacos, and you can see by taking leftovers from your refrigerator, you can create different meals, different flavors. And in this you'll have the Colby Jack, the chipotle queso, you'll have lime and cilantro, and you cannot go wrong with this. And by using leftovers, you can save money and not have to waste food. If you like recipes like this, please subscribe, hit the bell, and like I said many times before, I bring you 4 or 5 uploads every week. See you soon. Dan Soy. Bye-bye.